Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about COSRX, the 6 peptide skin booster serum. What are the different ingredients present in it, and is it worth purchasing this product? Hence, the name itself suggests that it has been made or formulated by peptides. There are 6 different peptides in this formulation, each peptide playing an essential role in reducing the fine lines and bringing back that healthy skin barrier. Usually, peptides go to the collagen and the fibroblast and they boost their production. So if you have an aging skin and you see that your skin is looking dull and there is a lot of pollution that is leading to premature aging, and you want a serum with all the essential peptides that can bring back your skin to younger looking like skin, then you need to go for this kind of serums which are formulated with peptides. Peptides have been studied for different uses, for brightening, for tightening of the skin, and also reducing the fine lines, wrinkles, even the crow's feet near your eye area. The formulation is quite straightforward. It has different humectants to hydrate the skin, to replenish that water levels, and then after that there is niacinamide. Now niacinamide is essential because it helps with reduction of the fine lines, improving the skin texture, it helps with the enlarged pores, it reduces the enlarged pores, and then it gives a nice even looking skin. It also has humectant properties but in a very lesser percent, but niacinamide itself is a very powerful ingredient, and here in this formulation it is less than 5%. I like this formulation because there is no denatured alcohol, there is no fragrance. The 6 different peptides that is formulated in this product is the first one, that is SH polypeptide 121, which stimulates the collagen production and the fibroblast production, and it gives a plumping effect to the skin. Then there is copper tripeptide 1, which helps with the texture of the skin. If you have like a bumps and irregular textures, it brings it back, it makes it like flawless skin. Okay, the next ingredient is a tough one actually. Dipeptide diamobutyryl benzylamide diacetate, and it is helping with the excess sebum production. It like hinders the sebum production, which regulates it to the normal, and also it helps with the pore care. Then there is oligopeptide 68, which helps with the brightening of the skin and the skin cell turnover. Then there is palmitol tripeptide 8 and acetyl hexapeptide 8, which helps with the firmness of your skin and reduction of the fine lines, and it also helps with the reduction of the skin sensitivity. It is just because it is bringing healthy skin cells on the top layer, and the sensitive skin cells are getting exfoliated. So due to this reason, peptides are very key ingredients to bring back that healthy skin, and they have a nice skin turnover. It brings the collagen into the proper shape, the firmness of the fibroblast, which gives a nice rigid shape to the skin. I did even see that there is tocopherol in this, which is vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, and also there is soybean oil. Soybean oil is known to have comedogenic properties. Actually, it clogs the pores. But here it is in the third or fourth last ingredient, which is in very small percentage. So I would not really suggest it for the oily skin type, but usually oily skin don't tend to age much faster like as compared to the dry skin, because dry skin types age faster as compared to the oily skin type, because there is no water, more sebum in the oily skin type, so it's more like hydrated. There is more emollient properties going on as compared to the dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, like normal to dry skin, and you want a anti-aging serum which can help you have that healthy skin, can have a production of proper sebum on the skin, then I think this serum is a good one, because it also has niacinamide, which is like a plus, and it's in a proper concentration to use. It's around 5%, which becomes a really good choice for the dry skin type as well as for the people who are suffering from the larger pores. So niacinamide will help you get that healthy skin back as well as the flawless skin, and the peptides will boost the collagen production and fibroblast, which can help you reduce the early signs of aging. Actually, it's a good deal because I see that for 150 ml of product, they are selling it for $17.50 US. Usually the peptide formulations are so expensive to buy, but the ordinary is also cheap. Yes, I love ordinary as well. And the 30 ml of the bottle cost also around like $20 or 20 euros. But this one is quite cheap. It's like 150 ml and it has 6 different peptides and targeting different signs, skin problems, which is like really perfect. I love it. I mean, this formulation is also really good. And in the previous video, I was talking about the COSRX ceramide mist and now about this serum. You can even use both together to get the best benefits if you have dry skin type. So this serum is also really good. I absolutely love it and I would recommend it for everyone. And you are skin of color or your Caucasian skin, you can still use it. It doesn't matter. This formulation is really well formulated. It doesn't have fragrance, which is really good for all skin type because sensitive skin can also use it. And I give a thumbs up to this formulation. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. And also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer as well as a YouTuber to grow. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.